Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing with Born Pretty. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today for you guys, I have some super ultra fabulous gel polishes from Born Pretty. I have this black cat gel polish. This is BGC01, and this is the black cat's eye. And I got these because they are just really cool. I saw I went on their website. When I got these, I went on their website to look at their page for it, and they have this really cool glass look, but look how bright this cat's eye is. And the fact that it's a darker cat's eye, it's like you don't even have to do a black background or dark background. Usually cat's eye gels work so much better with a dark background, but it's already there built in. Here's another one. This is the black glass cat eye gel polish. This is BGC02. I believe there's 4 colors. So this one is like a bronzy, like copper color. I got this one because it's very, it's just so different. You guys definitely have to check these out. I do have an affiliate link that I will be leaving in the description box below. Please use this link. It'll definitely help me out, and I greatly appreciate your support. But I can't wait to do a design with these gels. It's pretty fun. This one here is a regular gel polish color from their Silky White collection. This is CG027. And I love this color. I've been getting so many lighter colors these days. I do love myself some greens, and this is a dark green. I would say like a dark green, wants to be kind of olivey, olive-like. I don't know. All right, this one is their glitter reflective gel polish. This is GR02. There's a bunch of these in their collection, but look how insane this is. I do have the flash on, but it is reflecting off so many different kinds of glitters, hollow, reflective silver ones. So last but not least, I have my super silver sparkle painting gel, and this is jam-packed with gel glitters as well, and I do have the flash on. So that is the collection that I'm going to be showing to you guys in the next video. This is my second take and super ultra close up on them. I did unbox these in my live as I normally do, but I also do a video to kind of get a more intimate look on the gel polishes. I'm really excited. These are so different from what I've been getting with Born Pretty, and I can't wait to show a set to you guys with these. So click on that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Again, I am an affiliate with Born Pretty. I will leave my affiliate links in the description box below, along with my 10% discount code. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye. I wanted to take this opportunity to thank my Josieism 2-tier members. Thank you so much for all of your support. Check out the perks and become a Josieism member today. Happy holidays.